High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, has become more common and widespread than ever. National Family Health Survey conducted in 2017 found out that 1 in every 8 persons suffers from high BP. Your blood pressure is an essential indicator of your overall health, which is why monitoring it regularly and understanding what the number means is very important, especially if you're at risk of having high BP. Hello and welcome to Fit Tak. I am your host Muskan, and in today's video we are going to discuss about what hypertension is and what foods you should include in your diet to lower your BP. Blood pressure is the pressure within our arteries, basically the tubes that carry blood away from the heart in order to distribute oxygen to the rest of our body. Blood pressure reading consists of two numbers. As you would have seen, systolic blood pressure is the number that's on the top and diastolic blood pressure is the number at the bottom. A reading higher than 120 by 80 mmHg is considered high blood pressure. Normal blood pressure is a reading below 120 to 80. High blood pressure means that this constantly elevated pressure of blood in your arteries is more than what the organs and arteries can handle. As a result, the heart and arteries work harder to deliver the blood and oxygen to these organs. If this occurs, parts of our organs do not function properly. High blood pressure should never be ignored as it can lead to various health complications and diseases like heart disease, chronic kidney disease, even eye diseases. Now that you know what hypertension or high BP is, let's discuss some foods that you should definitely include in your diet in order to lower your BP. These 5 foods are: food number 1, citrus fruits. Citrus fruits may help lower blood pressure. They are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds that could help your heart by keeping it healthy and reducing risk factors for heart diseases. Citrus fruits contain hesperidin, an antioxidant that may benefit your heart. Citrus fruits that you can include in your diet are grapefruits, oranges, lemons. Number 2, leafy greens. A vegetable that is green in color and is leafy is very good for your health. How? Let's discuss that. Leafy greens are high in plant-based compound called nitrate, which is said to lower blood pressure. They are loaded with antioxidants such as potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which can support heart health. Not only this, they can also support optimal blood pressure levels. Some leafy vegetables which you should have include spinach, cabbage, kale. Third, seeds. Nuts and seeds may have a beneficial effect on blood pressure, as quoted by a lot of studies. Many nuts and seeds offer a concentrated source of nutrients, which is important to keep our blood pressure in check. It also includes fiber and arginine. Arginine is an amino acid needed to produce nitrate oxide, an essential compound for blood vessel relaxation. Once your blood vessels are enough relaxed, the flow in these vessels also becomes optimal. Example of some nuts and seeds that you should include in your diet are pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, chia seeds, almonds, walnuts, pistachios. Fourth, dark chocolates. I know, hearing the word chocolate would have brought a smile on your face, but in this topic we're just talking about dark chocolates, not the milk chocolates. Small amount. Only small amounts of dark chocolate can help with your taste buds, obviously, but they can also help in lowering your blood pressure. It is because dark chocolates have high amounts of cocoa, at least 70% of cocoa, and just a little amount of sugar in it. Therefore, it is not only good for people with diabetes, but also an excellent choice for people who have hypertension. Dark chocolates is rich in cocoa, which contains flavonoids, an antioxidant that dilates or relaxes the blood vessels, and thus the blood pressure will be normal. Last but not the least, yogurt. Yogurt is a nutrient-dense dairy product packed with minerals and vitamins, which helps in regulating the blood pressure. Yogurt includes potassium and calcium. Therefore, it's not only good for your bones, but also for your BP. Many yogurts are also rich in probiotics. They have good bacteria that will help your gut as well as keep your blood pressure in check. While medications might be necessary to lower your blood pressure, and you should definitely consult a doctor in case your BP is too high. But do remember that with the blood pressure medication, these are a few natural ways in which you can keep your BP in check. Therefore, add these foods in your diet only after consulting a doctor. Consume the foods which are good for your body and do not mess up with your system. That's it for this video. I'm your host Muskan. I'll see you in the next one.